Ciao, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to solve these two simultaneous equations. 3x plus 2y equals 11 and 3x plus y equals 7. So we're looking to combine these equations together in order to eliminate one of these letters so that we have an equation that we can actually solve. If you look at just each of these equations on their own, you've got an infinite number of x, y possibilities that would work for that. Whereas we're looking for the one x and one y that works for both equations. So first thing we need to do is figure out, well, how can we combine these equations together in such a way that we're going to get rid of one of those letters? Well, the x's here both have the same number. If you add those together, you'll get 6x, so clearly that's not made them disappear. But if we subtract them away from each other, 3x take away 3x will make a 0. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to take away the left-hand side from the left-hand side. And we're going to take away the right-hand side from the right-hand side. 2y, take away a positive y, will give us a single y. And then 11 minus 7 equals 4. Sometimes this happens where you're just done after combining them together. So in this case, y is 4. We're only halfway done though, because now we need to go back and figure out what x is. So pick either of the original equations to plug y equals 4, plug 4 into y. I'm going to pick the second equation because it doesn't have a 2 here, so it's slightly easier. So we have 3x plus a single y, which is now 4, equals 7. Take away 4 from both sides to rearrange. That will leave us with a 3x on the left hand side and a 3 on the right hand side. And then divide both sides by 3 to get x by itself, and we're left with x equals 1. So we have x equals 1 and y equals 4 that go together, and they work in both equations.